Okay, welcome to our level 9 addition and subtraction video. We're going to just go ahead and jump right into some sample problems. In level 10B, we had first looked at addition and subtraction with two-digit numbers. And in level 10, we had four numbers, two of which were two-digit. As you can see here in level 9, we're going to increase the challenge a little bit and have five numbers to add, three of which will be two-digit. So let's just go ahead and jump right into working a couple of sample problems out. And again, as these problems become a little more complex, your skill training is really going to pay off if you practice good technique, because that's what will result in increasing your speed. So let's go ahead and start off by inputting 35, and then we need to add 2. Okay, well that's straightforward, just add 2. Next we need to add 8. Okay, well I do that by adding 1 and subtracting 8's 10 pair 2. Next we're going to add 81. Okay, to add 81, I'm going to add 1 to the third rod, subtract 8's 10 pair 2, and then just add 1 to the unit rod. And lastly, we're going to add 90, so add 1 to the third rod, subtract 9's 10 pair 1. And I have a final answer of 216. Okay, let's take a look at a second example. Alright, we start off with 57, and then we're going to subtract 25. So I need to subtract 2 here. Do that in the form of a 5 pair. So I add 3 and subtract 5. And then I need to subtract 5. Well, that's straightforward. Next, I need to add 42. Okay, again, I'll do that in a 5 pair by adding 5 and subtracting 1. And then add 2 is straightforward. And then finally, I need to add 4 on the first rod. Again, another 5 pair. Add 5, subtract 1. And then minus 2 is straightforward for a final answer of 76. Okay, let's do another one here. So we've got 63, and then we're going to add 68. Well, to add the 6, I add 1 here and subtract 6's 10 pair 4 in the form of a 5 pair by adding 1, subtracting 5. And then I need to add 8. So here I have to add 1 to the next rod left and subtract 8's 10 pair 2. Okay, next we're going to add 48. Well, I add the 4 in the form of a 5 pair, add 5, subtract 1. And then to add 8 here, well, I can just add that straight away. Next we're going to add 6. So I do that in the form of a 5 pair, 10 pair, add 1 next rod left and subtract 6's 10 pair 4. And then finally add 2 for the final answer, which is 187. So as you can see, the challenge in level 9 addition and subtraction is going to be able to build sufficient speed to complete the quiz within the allotted time. So here we start off with 44, and then we're going to subtract 28. Now to subtract the 8, I take 1 here, and then I need to add 8's 10 pair 2 here. Do that in the form of a 5 pair, add 5, subtract 3. Next add 22, well that's straightforward. Then I need to add 2 again, and do that in the form of a 10 pair, add 1 to the next rod left, subtract its 10 pair 8, and then finally subtract 6, take 1 from the next rod left and add 6's 10 pair 4 for a final answer of 34. So there you have it. I think that's a pretty good sampling of what you can expect for level 9 addition and subtraction. So good luck and keep practicing.